Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm gonna share my tomato first. This is a hanging tomato. I'm gonna show it so the people sometimes they complain that they don't have enough space to grow tomatoes. I mean like vegetables or fruits. So you don't need to have any space. In fact, I'm just hanging it. You can just hang it anywhere you like, especially wherever it gets like little sunshine. I mean, little sunlight. You can even put it inside the windows. As long as it has little bit of sunlight, it should grow well. All you need to do is to put little bit of water, like every morning. Look how they grew. So thank you for watching that. And today I'm going to show you iftar drinks. As you can see, this is melon, watermelon. Watermelon is one of the most favorite fruits of our Prophet even. So you can see the ripe one, the seedless one is definitely good one for this kind of drinks. As you can see, the way I chopped it, along the seeds so it can easily be taken off. You can see that I'm getting rid of the seeds in a row. Otherwise, it's going to be a lot of, hard work. So this is how you can easily get rid of the seeds. But like I said, the seedless one is great for this kind of juice. So these are the watermelons that you can see. I got rid of the seeds. I don't mind the white seeds because the white seeds don't bother that much. These are like very, you know, soft and tender one, but the black one needs to be get rid of. But it's not that hard as it looks like if you cut it like in a row. So make sure the melon is sweet one. You don't have to chop it like very smoothly because anyway you are making juice with that. So sometimes you need to press it so the blade gets the melon well. You can press it with anything. It can be spoon, it can be spatula, anything you need to press it with. And if you add water, you need to add sugar. If you don't add water, you don't have to add sugar. I am not adding any sugar, water. That's why I don't have to worry for sugar. So it's no added sugar. Very great for health. I have still some seeds, as you can see. I'm gonna get rid of those, especially the black one. So now is the fun time. Look at this. If you see still one or two, you can just get rid of this. Your watermelon drinks is ready to be served. Make sure you add some ice cube with it, or you can just, while you blend it, you can just put some ice. It will be well, blended. And make sure to serve it cold. This is a great drinks for iftar, great drinks for summertime. No added sugar and melon is great for health. Thank you viewers, thank you for watching and please make sure to subscribe and you can check the link below. Thank you.